11th one. We'll discuss from 11th one. The number of electrons and the number of protons in an Al3 plus ion are respectively. The atomic number of Al is 13. So aluminium atomic number is 13. So then aluminium need to remove 3 electrons to become Al3 plus, right? After removing 3 electrons, it will become Al3 plus, because at the neutral position aluminium proton count and electron count same, proton 13, electron 13. But after that, what happened? Proton count same, electron count will become 10, right? So respectively they ask the electron count first. Electron count 10, proton count 13. What is the neutron count? Neutron count, most of the time it's 27, but it's not mentioned, it's normally given in the question. What is the standard notation of tritium? Tritium means what? Isotope. Isotopes are same atomic number but different mass numbers, right? Mass number is different, which means why their neutron count differ from 1 to 1, right? If we take protium, deuterium, tritium, in protium 1 means 1, the bottom one means proton count, top count is proton plus neutron count. But here there is no neutrons, neutron count is 0, because that 1 is come from protons. In a deuterium 1, 2, their proton is 1, neutrons also 1, right? In the third one, tritium also 1, 3. What happened? Neutron count 2, right? There is no 1, that's 3, like, right? This is wrong. But standard notation of tritium, that is 3. Third one, isotopes, just remember, like I take some examples, like masses are different, same type but masses are different. Like if we take granite, like different sizes, you can see, like that, same type, same element but different masses. 13. Which of the following adaptation is shown by the seeds of horror Na? That's a Tamil name, plant for dispersal by wind. So dispersal methods we discuss in grade 10 part 2 book. So here there are 4 ways of dispersal: by animals, by water, by wind, and by explosive mechanism, right? Animals, water, wind, and explosive mechanism. So here they ask wind. So the fruits and seeds dispersed by wind having following adaptations: 1. Having structures like threads to float in air. Examples: milkweed, which means vara, common name, and also cotton, imbul. Also example, having structures like threads, nool wage threads to float in air. Possess wing, piyapat wage wings. Here you can see horror, you can see the wing like structures, right? Horror, gammalu, drumsticks. Examples: fruits and seeds born at apex of the plants, then easy to spread, right? When like wind comes, like apex facing first, mahogany and horror, the example. So horror comes to wing like structures and apex born at the apex of the plants. Being very light, orchid is the example, and production of fruit and seeds in large numbers: grass, mahogany, vara, cotton, all things we can go for that. Actually normally if it is dispersed by wind, mainly they produce large number of seeds and fruits, because most of the thing ones are destroyed due to various reasons. That's the reason. Possess wing like structures means that is horror. And so we'll take that answer for the 13th question, possess wing-like structures. Right, so these are difficult, remember, but thing is, practice regularly this kind of MCQ papers, then you can get marks, increase your marks, right? So then, a certain covalent compound is completely ionized in water. Which of the following could be this compound? Completely ionized in water means sometimes it can be a strong acid, sometimes it can be a strong base, right? So here, out of these four, copper sulfate is a salt, right? It's a salt. H2CO3, it's a weak acid, right? I think you remember, it's a weak acid, partially ionized. HCl, strong acid, H plus and Cl minus. NH4OH, it's a weak base, NH4 plus and forming OH minus. Completely ionized, and the second one is the answer. 15th, the endocrine glands that secrete glucagon and calcitonin in human body are respectively. Endocrine glands that secrete glucagon and calcitonin in human body are respectively. So glucagon and calcitonin. Glucagon produced by pancreas, right? Pancreas will alpha cells produce alpha cells from pancreas produce glucagon. What is the other hormone pancreas producing? Insulin, right? Insulin produced by beta cells, right? Beta cells of the pancreas. Pancreas is the answer. Calcitonin, which is produced by thyroid gland, right? For what? Calcitonin mainly involved in decrease the blood calcium level, Ca2 plus calcium levels in the blood. So answer is pancreas and thyroid. Just go to the grade 11 part 1 book, biological processes, right? Mainly I discuss this. I think we have to discuss with some guys, but some people we discuss this part already completed. So go for that. Homeostasis here. Pituitary, thyroid gland, you can see two hormones they mentioned, calcitonin and thyroxine. Calcitonin, what is the function? Reduce calcium level in blood. Thyroxine, control metabolic rate, right? Calcitonin and thyroxine. Okay, so that is the question number 15, right? So we'll discuss from 16 then.